Welcome back to Carver's. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. A breathtaking fusion of hypercar DNA and luxury travel. This is not just a motorhome. It's a bold statement of speed, innovation, and elegance that takes the concept of life on the road to an entirely new level. The exterior design is pure Lamborghini, sharp, aggressive, and aerodynamic. Its low-slung stance, Y-shaped LED lighting signature, and sculpted carbon fiber body panels give it the appearance of a supercar stretched into a sleek touring machine. The active aerodynamic elements not only enhance performance, but also maximize efficiency, ensuring that even this powerhouse glides effortlessly on highways. Massive forged alloy wheels and a bespoke paint palette add to its commanding road presence, making it impossible to ignore. Step inside, and the interior is nothing short of a luxury lounge infused with Lamborghini's motorsport heritage, handcrafted Alcantara, carbon fiber accents, and premium leather dominate the cabin. The living area features a modular lounge with high-end Italian furniture, an Ultra HD entertainment system, and ambient lighting customizable to your mood. The kitchen is fitted with top-tier appliances, including an induction cooktop, wine chiller, and smart storage, perfect for extended getaways. At the rear, the master suite offers a king-sized bed, panoramic windows, and a spa-inspired bathroom with heated flooring and a rainfall shower, combining comfort with the brand's signature sophistication. Underneath, Lamborghini has engineered a hybrid V12 powertrain producing an astonishing 900 horsepower, paired with an advanced all-wheel drive system. Despite its size, the motorhome accelerates like a sports car, delivering thrilling performance while maintaining a surprisingly smooth and quiet ride. Adaptive suspension and precision steering make maneuvering effortless, whether you're on winding roads or cruising down the interstate. Tech integration is at the forefront, with a fully connected smart hub allowing you to control lighting, climate, and even performance modes through voice commands or a dedicated app. Solar panels and an advanced battery system make off-grid adventures not just possible but seamless. Pricing for the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome starts at around $950,000, with bespoke configurations easily pushing it past the $1.5 million mark. It's an elite motorhome designed for those who crave the thrill of Lamborghini. Performance combined with the ultimate in luxury, living, and proof that for some, the road itself can be the most exhilarating destination.